Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a powerful skin retouching method in Photoshop. Step by step. We'll smooth out skin, enhance dimension, and give your portraits a flawless, magazine-worthy finish. And the best part? No expensive plugins needed. Let's jump right in. First, always work non-destructively by duplicating your original image. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool, shortcut J. In the top bar, make sure Content Aware is checked. Zoom into the face, Ctrl++ or Command++. Click on blemishes to remove them. Photoshop will automatically blend the surrounding skin. Duplicate the cleaned layer twice, Ctrl+J or Command+J. Rename the layers Low for colors and tones, High for skin texture. Select the low layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Increase the radius until skin texture fades. Start with 5 to 10 pixels. Select the high layer, go to Image, Apply Image. Use these settings. Layer, low blending, subtract scale, 2 offset, 128 click. Set the high layer's blending mode to linear light, and your image looks normal again, but now texture and color are separate. Create a new layer, Shift+Ctrl+N/Shift+Command+N. In the pop-up, check Fill with 50% gray. Set the blending mode to soft light. Select the brush tool, B. Use a soft round brush with low opacity, 5 to 10%. Paint with white on areas you want to highlight, like the forehead, cheekbones, and nose bridge. Paint with black to add shadows, under the cheekbones, jawline, and sides of the nose. For that polished editorial look, we'll finish off with some camera raw adjustments. Merge all layers into one. Convert to a smart object. Right-click the layer, convert to smart object. Apply camera raw filter. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and follow the settings. The last step is a magic step for skin smoothing. In this step, just add the clarity effect in minus from Camera Raw. and mask this layer to apply the clarity on areas needed. And that's it. You've just learned how to retouch skin like a pro in Photoshop without any plugins or paid tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tricks, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover another editing technique. I'll see you in the next video. Happy editing!